Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is beetroot and apple burgers. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. The eagle-eyed amongst you will notice I'm doing all the cooking today. That's because my wife has gone out with one of her daughters to plan the next campaign against my sanity. Anyway, on with the cooking. The first thing we do for this recipe is prepare the carrots, apple and beetroot. Simply top and tail the carrot, core the apple and peel the beetroot. Then pass them through a grater. I'm using the attachment on the food processor to do this and not a box grater, because my wife said I can't be trusted to use anything sharper than a teaspoon without supervision from a responsible adult. When the carrots, apple and beetroot are grated, it's time to start cooking. And the first thing you do for this is heat a tablespoon of oil in a suitably sized pan, add the grated apple, carrot and beetroot and continue to cook for 5 to 6 minutes. When the 6 minutes are up, the ingredients should have softened and given up some of their excess liquid. Then it's time to add in the honey and balsamic vinegar. Then when these are thoroughly mixed through, remove from the heat, place in a colander or sieve and allow it to drain well and cool down. Then while this is cooling, it's time to mash up the chickpeas. I'm using a small food processor for this because I can. But you could do it with a bowl and a fork if your wife's put you on punishment duties. When the chickpeas are well mashed and the beetroot is cooled down enough to handle, put in a suitably sized bowl, add salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of corn flour and thoroughly mix together. And you should have something that looks like this. Then it's time to form the mixture into burger shapes. We're using a catering ring for this because we simply find it more uniform and easier to do, but you can use your hands. If you are going to use your hands, remember beetroot stains, so you could end up looking like a sloppy serial killer, so my advice is use the rings. Or as with other messy jobs in the kitchen, get your wife to do it. Then when the burgers are formed, place in the fridge until you're ready to cook. Next we make the relish to go on top of the burgers. Simply take the tomato, onion and avocado, finely chop and mix together in a bowl. Add salt and pepper to taste and a splash of olive oil and there you have it. Then when you're ready to cook, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a suitably sized frying pan. When it's nice and hot, gently add the burgers to the hot oil. Then continue to fry for 5 to 6 minutes on each side, turning occasionally. Remember, be gentle when handling these burgers, they are delicate. Then when the burgers are cooked, simply place on a bread roll of your choice, spoon over some of the relish, and there you have it, beetroot and apple burgers. Hope you enjoyed this video, and give this recipe a go sometime. As normal, feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you again on the next one. Bye for now.